Hello beauties, and welcome back to another try on haul. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula, aka the Enhancer of Enhanced Beauty, and I would like to welcome you to the channel that is all about beauty and lifestyle. Today's haul is featuring Lovely Wholesale. Have you all heard of Lovely Wholesale? It is another online site similar to Shein, similar to Chic Me, all those other ones. Well, I always see Lovely Wholesale on my timeline, whether I'm scrolling on Instagram or scrolling on Facebook, and I have always wanted to give it a try because the prices are like on point. They are not very expensive. They have very cute, trendy pieces. You really get more bang for your buck. At least that's what I thought. Okay, let's get into it. First of all, I placed this order on February 27th this year. Okay, I received my order on, I think it was April 6th. April 7th. Now, mind you, I do understand and I did take into consideration our nation experiencing a global crisis, coronavirus, COVID-19. And I know that kind of messed a whole lot of things up, being that it surfaced, it began in China, and that is where these items are from. That is where Lovely Wholesale, I think, is stationed. This was my first, and I really do believe it is my last. Because first of all, the shipping time frame, all right, well, it's kind of like up in the air because of what we're experiencing at this time. Second, the shipping costs. Those prices are very cheap, but that shipping, My total for all my pieces was a total of like, I think it was $167 and some change. The shipping, $61 and some change. Now y'all, if it wasn't for me doing this YouTube video, let me make a disclaimer right now. None of my try on hauls are sponsored, not yet. So every dime that is being spent is my own money. I went ahead, I bit the bullet, and I paid that shipping of $61, y'all. My total was like $200 and something. Next thing, when I did get my shipment, all of my pieces were not in there. Now, maybe a week prior, I did receive a refund of $23.50. There was no explanation. I paid via PayPal. They didn't specify. I just received the refund. That was a good thing. But then once I got my shipment, I realized I had 4 items that were not included, and it was not a total of $23.50. It was a total of $57.46, and they still owe me $33.96 that I do want. Without further ado, if you are a fashion enthusiast and you are into the try on hauls and you want to see what Lovely Wholesale has to bring to you, just keep watching. I am beginning with this one-piece outfit off the shoulder. As you can see, it's shorts, it's Bermuda style to the knee. Let me back up. Since I'm turned around, let me begin here. Okay, it comes with this belt. Do you see this line here? This, let me kind of back up a little bit more. This right here, okay, that's not cute. I don't like that. This belt, it's an okay piece. I ordered a size large. It's very, very stretchy. This is the only thing that I don't like. Everything else is good. I don't like that it shows my line, and I may wear it, I might not, I don't know. I may put it on Shop My Closet. Make sure you stay tuned to that on www.enhancedbeauty.net. All right, next up, I have a one piece. Let me step back so you can see. The denim jacket is a size extra large. I really fell in love with it because of the distress, the fact that it was cropped back, just a regular denim jacket. I ordered an extra large because I wanted it to fit a little bit loose. I saw the description and I saw what the material consisted of, but I still didn't know exactly how the fit would be. And to be safe, I wanted to get an extra large. You can always take it to the seamstress and get it tailored to fit you. It's perfect. I love the fit of it. Let me remove this. Here is the one piece all by itself. It's wide leg, I guess, but Again, this. Y'all see this? It kind of sticks out. I don't know what that's about. I don't know if it's me. I don't know if it's my body type. Very, very stretchy. I ordered a large because again, I didn't know the fit of it. Most of the time, pieces with stretch in it, I can definitely do a large. And if it has a lot of stretch, like at least 5% spandex or more, I always size down. But am I slaying?
Yeah!
All right. Next up is this sweater. Y'all, I don't know why I ordered this sweater. Well, I do know why. It was in February and it was still kind of cool. As it was getting close to the spring, I had to end up changing my birthday outfit and I wore a sweater, March 17th. So I went ahead, I saw this sweater and it was so cute. It was fitted on the model off the shoulder, like so, and it looked really cute. But this one is not big enough to do that. It looked like it just gonna fit like this, like just a loose oversized sweater. I will put it up, God's will. Fall season, winter rolls around, I can rock my sweater. It has the unfinished edges going all the way around it, even around the sleeve, even around here. Still can, y'all, rock it off my shoulder if I choose to. And this sweater is, I ordered a medium because I knew that it would be a little big, and a large would have been perfect for the way the model was wearing it, the look of it to fall off the shoulder, but I'm good. This medium, I'm good. The plan is to lose more weight, so it'll be oversized anyway. All right now, I know y'all see these sleeves. These two pieces, both pieces, I'm showing you. For the sake of the video, I'm just trying to put them together. This is not how I planned on wearing it. I found this exact same top, where at least I thought it was the same top. Material is different at Fashion Nova, right? They were sold out of the black. So when I saw it on Lovely Wholesale, I was like, yes, I'm ordering it. And the price was even cheaper than Fashion Nova. Y'all, this material right here, I don't even know what this material is. It's almost like a parachute, like the material of a warm-up. Y'all, I don't know, but this is not what I thought it was gonna be. I have this top in white and I got it from Fashion Nova, and the material is like a regular shirt. But this, on the other hand, it's not, but I'm still gonna wear it. So let me step back, because the bottom, let's pull this down a little bit. The skirt, leopard print, tiered, and it's see-through. Now, one of the pieces that I did not get, I actually purchased to go with this, which was a one-piece tank style shorts. So I wanted to get that and get the skirt to go over that. I just had vacation inspiration. When I saw it, that's all it screamed to me. I love this skirt. It's a size large, as well as the top. And I do like the fit. It's just the material of these sleeves. But y'all, guess what? I don't know where I will wear it to, but I definitely will rock this top. All right, we have come to the last piece of this try-on haul. Now, this piece, I always would see it on my timeline, and it wouldn't just be from Lovely Wholesale. I would see this piece from several other online boutiques. I love the way the model would have it styled, really cute, look edgy, chic, all at the same time. But this piece, I ordered an extra large because, again, judging from the description, didn't know how it would fit, wanted to make sure it fit. If I needed to get it tailored to my body, I would. It just stepped back. Y'all, do y'all see this? It's a little bit tight in this area right here. Let me turn around. Comes down a little low. I don't have a belt or anything to put on with it. And I mean, I really can do something with this. I do like it. The only thing is I need to lose at least 10, maybe 12 pounds for it to really fit the way I want it to fit. But other than that, I mean, I do like it. It is cute. She is cute. Okay, with all of that being said, I want to thank you for tuning in. And if you enjoyed this try on haul and would like to see more from me, make sure you are subscribed and make sure you click your bell so you don't miss out on anything. Make sure you comment down below to let me know that you were here and let me know what else you would like to see from me. Take care, be safe, stay in. April 30th is almost here. God's will, we will be able to get back to some type of normalcy. Until then, God bless. I love you. See you soon.